So is there a night? The drama is probably fun. Well, that was Sadie, right?
Huh? No. It's another black cat that looks like Sadie.
Really?
Yeah.
Does Sadie stay inside?
Mm-hmm. I thought it was her one night too, and I came out and I was like, Sadie? I went inside and she was right there.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
She doesn't go outside?
She sneaks outside sometimes.
Oh, okay. All right.
She slips.
Well, she is only, what, 12 pounds or 10? 10. Maybe 8?
Oh, yeah, probably 8.
She's a tiny little thing. You get her wet and she looks like she's 6 pounds. So, do you need anything? So, see you on Thursday. I'll come pick you up? Okay. If you don't answer your phone before I leave work, though, I'm not coming to get you because I don't know what you and your not answering phone and stuff. You didn't answer her phone. She texted you about half an hour ago, say we're on our way. So I was afraid you like passed out in there or something. And then I called you and you didn't answer. And
really? I didn't see it.
Well, it's maybe a good thing if you're driving.
Right. You shouldn't be eating at McDonald's. It costs money. I'm just teasing. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. You're an adult. Hey, see you Thursday. Gonna kill his wife. Not nice.
She's gonna give up.
Yes.
Why didn't you just go into the spot and do a little three-pointer?
No. It is. Just not probably in shape. But with the rear back camera, it's really just pretty easy just to, right? Give me that way. So I wanted to take a shower tonight, but if I take a shower tonight, I'll feel good because I'm going hiking in the morning. But then I got home and I was ready to work in the yard, and then my mom texted me and says dinner at 6. I was like, well, let me text Krista, and you said yes. So I was like, well, I'm not going to go out and work for half an hour and then have to take a shower. You know what I mean? So I was like, well, what am I going to do?
Well, if you got sticky legs, you gotta take a shower.
Yep. I'm sure I do.
As long as you
I didn't take a shower this morning, so yeah, I know.
If you don't sleep good, then nobody.
Really? You don't sleep well if I don't sleep well?